Apple's iOS 18.3 update brings several notable enhancements to your iPhone. First, the Apple Intelligence activation. This AI power feature is now enabled by default, offering advanced functionalities like improved Siri interactions and personalized suggestions. Be aware it consumes about 7 gigabytes of storage. To manage this, make sure to go to the settings, right? And scroll a little bit down to find Siri or Apple Intelligence instead, and then adjust or enable it or disable it. Okay. Next, the visual intelligence enhancements. This is especially for iPhone 16 users. The camera control now allows you to identify plants and animals and add events to your calendar by scanning details from posters or flyers. Okay, so the next update, which is notification summaries update, you can see it highlighted. Okay, but first you can go ahead to the camera and then you're gonna be able to control and scan the plan or add something to the schedule, right? The next update, which is the notification summaries update. Apple has temporarily disabled AI generated summaries for news and entertainment categories to address accuracy concerns. A beta warning has been added in settings, right? You can manage summaries directly from the lock screen by swiping left on a notification and selecting options, right? You can go ahead and control that from the settings and then go to the not sounds and haptics notifications, right? You're gonna be able to identify it from here. Okay, you can control from here, or you can just go to basically Face ID and passcode and disable or enable some sort, not the Face ID and passcode, but only like in the notification, excuse me. So next, the calculator functionality restored. The calculator app on your iPhone allows you to tap the equals sign twice to repeat the last operation, right? A feature that reinstated from previous versions. So when you go to the calculator, for example, right, and do the math for something, right, and put equal, you're gonna be able to hit or you could press twice to repeat the last operation, right? Or you could go and click the equation that you did and then repeat it again, right? Or you can click the 3 bars and see the last equation that you did. Lastly, the security enhancements. So, of course, iOS 18 addresses over 20 security vulnerabilities, including critical fixes for core media and WebKit, enhancing overall device security. Ensure your iPhone now is up to date. To take advantage of these improvements, you can go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, then go ahead to the general, go ahead to the software update, and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. See you in the next one.